What's up everybody, this is NJ Gaming here. Now I'm going to show you how the BM-700 sounds like directly to PC or without the phantom power. Now buying this mic would be very cheap, like about 30 bucks, and that's excluding the phantom power and everything, like the mic stand. Yep, the Scissor mic stand, yep, just like I got here. So 30 bucks would be cheap for this microphone. It's condenser microphone. So I didn't buy the phantom power because I really think that this mic would work out for me without it, but it didn't. So I'm gonna let you judge, guys, how it sounds like. So I just recorded my own voice so that you can hear it. So I just recorded it with different microphone boosts. So I'm going to let you hear the zero boost. And by the way, I'm using a noise suppression. Wait, what's that again? Noise suppression effect? You have to watch it again. Um, Advanced? No. There. Acoustic echo cancellation and noise suppression. That's it. So, with that effect, it helps me make this sound. And that's zero boost, yes. Now, as you can see, it's very unlikely sound. It doesn't sound like a condenser microphone. It has very low waves. Yeah. So I'm out of words right there. So next thing, we go to the 10 plus boost. So here we go. What? Now it's a bit louder than the first one, the zero boost, and I was singing that at this distance right here. Yep, as you can see, like one hand. I don't know what's that called, but anyway, so here goes. And now that's the plus 10 boost. I don't know how to describe it, but it's better than the zero boost. So let's go to the 20 plus boost. I think this is gonna be better. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer and out. Oh yeah, I just coughed right there because my throat just cuts me. So that's the 20 boost, guys. So it's a bit louder than the both of them, than the 10 and the zero boost. So as you can see, boosting helps, and I'm gonna show you what the 30 boost sounds like. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I'll miss the way you make me feel, and it's thrilling me. Watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. So as you can see, 30 boost is the best setting without phantom power, right? So when you do it without the help of noise suppression called Acoustic Echo Cancellation. It will sound like this. Wait, I'm just gonna record this for you guys because I didn't record it for now. Without my voice, it will sound like, wait, I'm just gonna cut the noise suppression and the acoustic cancellation. So let us hear that. Excuse me. Without my voice, it will sound like, wait, I'm just gonna cut the noise suppression and the acoustic cancellation. So yep, guys, so as you can see, with the help of the noise cancellation and the acoustic echo can oh, wait, what's that again? Where's that? I think I closed it. Without the acoustic echo cancellation and noise suppression, it will have a flickering sound, and that's what I'm concerned about when I first tested this mic, because it really sucks. It really distracts me every time I'm listening to this clip. So let's listen again. Oh, you heard that? There's no sound at all, so noise suppression helps, and acoustic echo cancellation. So without them, I'm just gonna cut the noise suppression and the acoustic cancellation. So I'm just gonna record again for the sake of clarity. Yeah, so there we go. So this is how it sounds like without the acoustic noise cancellation and the noise cancellation. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer. So this is how it sounds like without the acoustic noise cancellation and the noise cancellation. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer. So as you can hear, guys, there's some flickering sounds right here. Like without the, yep. So that sucks. That really sucks. So my final thing would be, I don't know, wait. I'm just gonna set this up. So my final decision will be, I will buy a phantom power for the sake of this mic to work out very well. So phantom power will be worth 20 bucks, I think so, 40 or 30, 30 below. I swear that's 30 below. I will just link you below the price in Amazon and the price of this microphone and this scissor stand. So I'll just link it down below. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I hope you liked my video. I hope it's informative enough for you to have something, to learn something from this microphone I just used. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment if you have something to share, and subscribe to tune in with me. Watch out for my games. Thanks.